Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Glide for no-code app building, easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in glideapps.com and press enter. Once the Glide website loads, look for the sign in button located at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you'll see options to sign in with Google or email. If you want to use your Google account, click on the Google button. A pop-up will appear prompting you to select your Google account. Choose the account linked to your Glide profile. If you prefer using email, click on the email option. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Next, click the Continue button. You will receive a prompt to enter your password. Type in your password and click Sign In. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password. Once logged in, you will be redirected to your Glide dashboard. Here, you can start building your no-code app effortlessly. Familiarize yourself with the interface and available features. You're now ready to create and customize your app in Glide. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.